Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are all doing well. Today in this video I'm gonna show you some beautiful and latest crochet cardigans, sweater designs for women and girls. You guys will be amazed these latest crochet designs, like they are very trendy right now in western and as well as Asian countries. So if you're planning to wear something cool and gorgeous, I would definitely recommend with you guys like to have invest in crochet cardigans. So I am presenting you some beautiful designs. You can design it by yourself, like if you interest in crochet, so you can do it by yourself, or if you want to gift it to someone else, you can gift it to someone else by doing yourself. Like they are very eco-friendly, they are very warm, they are very versatile in design, and you can create any scheme of color with any pattern. It's all up to you. You can wear it on with like skirt, with top, with jeans, any kind of like thing. If you want to wear it, you can wear it on your dress, casual dress, formal dress, so it will give you a very hearty and cool look. At the same time, you can wear it on different occasions for different parties, whether it's casuals and formals. So yeah, these are the perfect designs. So if you like the video, do subscribe the channel and share with your friends. Thank you.